War veterans were again the beneficiaries of free medical and dental services. The undertaking was launched by the group PhilVets at Barangay Central in Bicutan, Taguig City. The details from this report.
A person's health is an expensive matter. The price of both medicine and medical confinement continues to increase. For this reason, veterans and their families feel blessed whenever they are given free checkups in their barangays. This was the scenario when PhilVets, or the Filipino War Veterans Foundation Incorporated, visited Barangay Central Bicutan in Taguig. Florencio Sorongon, a veteran, said the medical and dental mission is a big help for both him and his family.
Malaking bagay ito sa mga hindi naman lahat ng mga retired kasi mayroon retired na maano ang buhay, mayroon naman retired na tamtaman lang na hindi kaya magpatingin sa mga doktor.
Veteran spouse Dativa Corpus is grateful for the financial help that it brings.
Kinunan ako ng BP, ECG, sa mata binigyan akong salamin, at sa medical din nagpatingin po ako at tungkol sa diabetes ko.
The services offered by the medical and dental mission are It includes consultations, medical and diagnostic examinations such as electrocardiogram, blood sugar tests, and bone density tests, dental extractions, and reflex massages. Also given for free are wheelchairs, walking sticks, reading glasses, and medicines for high blood pressure, osteoporosis, diabetes, heart diseases, respiratory diseases, allergy, fever, infections, and muscle pains. PhilVets does its medical and dental mission to focus on the physical condition of veterans. The group will be continuing on with its service in the coming months.
Ang ating budget kasi for the veterans at mga byuda. But normally, mayroon din tayong natitirang gamot, hindi naman nauubos. So yung mga excess na gamot, hindi na namin binabalik. So we will give that to the lalo na yung mga senior citizen na hindi veterano.
For People's Television, Kring Lacson.